Hey everybody, it's Kara from the Art Collective, and I am making some keto cauliflower recipe that I kind of came up with in my head. And of course, people telling me what they put in there, so I kind of put a few different recipes together and things that I substituted, things that I don't necessarily like with things that I do like. So I already washed my cauliflower, and I also use coconut flour for a change. I cut it up into 4, and now I have got 2 farm fresh eggs in here. They're from my hens. Pull up my little mat here, stick that on the pan. I use these silicone cooking pads because they can go through the dishwasher and they work like a hot dam, and I don't have to scrape off plates anymore. It's really great. Anyway, I just gotta put these into here so I can get the rest of the eggs, the rest of the cauliflower coated. So I got 2, like I said, two of these from my Henny Pennies, and I've got them. Yeah, I don't put my eggs in the refrigerator. I get them straight from the barn. I wash them and then I put them in a bowl on the counter. And I go through so many eggs every day, so I don't have to worry about it. But when we couldn't get eggs, or when we had an overabundance of eggs, I still didn't put them in the fridge. I did a lot of research in a lot of European countries. They never have put eggs in the fridge, so it's not a necessity. If your eggs, if you bought your eggs at the store and they were in a fridge, then you have to refrigerate them when you get home. But farm eggs, if they have not been refrigerated, they do not have to go in the fridge, and eggs will last on your counter for, I'd say, 3 to 6 months. I've had success in that. So, and of course, like when you pass 3 months with an egg, you don't, I don't crack it into the frying pan, of course, but they do last actually quite a bit longer on the counter than they do in the refrigerator. Because the ones in the refrigerator that have been to the store, yeah, they may be farm friendly and all that wonderful stuff, but they've also soaked them in something. I don't know what they use, whether it's water or whether it's a chemical to clean them. But they're soaked in it, and then they're dried and put in the packaging. So mine are only washed with water, and nothing bad's been near them. And that's why I like it. And that was my microwave going off. Probably going to hear the music that I'm playing in the background now. It is music from all the channels that I follow. I figure I've got, because I like so many songs, they're all just from my channel. Yeah, not my channel, but my subscriptions. So there's beautiful Asian people, and Indian, European. I haven't got any American ones, I don't think. They're all overseas. Anyway, I enjoy listening to music, and this is a young lady. I'm not sure where she is, but she's quite a talented little drummer. So I don't know, that one might get blocked because it's she does covers. But I don't know, it might take YouTube a while to figure out what song it is because it's in a different language and it's changed up quite a bit. I just put some onion powder in, a teaspoon of onion powder. Oh, that wasn't a teaspoon, was it? There, that's a couple of teaspoons of onion powder. That's okay. Put that there so I know I used it. This is paprika. So about a teaspoon of that. This is not what I want. Chili powder. teaspoon of that. A little bit of cayenne. Not too much cayenne because the kids want to eat this too. And my son isn't all that keen on spicy stuff. Sorry about that. That's my dogs. Oh, and I love turmeric, so that's definitely going in because it's really good for you. Basil. Yeah, basil would be good too, wouldn't it? There we go. And I think that's probably enough. Kind of mix it up, crush up the powder. I might have to make another bowl of it, just sprinkle this stuff. I don't know. I might just sprinkle it over it and then move it around rather than coat it. So I was thinking I was going to coat it with coconut flour and spices mixed. But I'm not sure how that'll turn out. I've never done that before. I know what I do want in here, and I had it, and now I don't know where it is because things got kind of messed around with. There we go, found it. I moved my camera too because my little fella kept coming into the kitchen. We can't have him on the tubes. Yeah. Anyway, he's 5 years old. He's very sweet. I'm putting some coconut flour in with the spices that I just put in. I'm not adding the recipe in the description. If you want the recipe, go back and watch it again and write it down. Because, you know, there's some things that I like to do, and there's some things about the things that I like to do that I don't like to do. I don't know if anybody caught that, but I just put that out there. And I love having a YouTube channel and doing my art for everybody. I do not know how to edit. I have tried. And I have not succeeded. So, spoon. I've got all the spices in here, right? And I'm just putting them in. Anyway, and it's not something that interests me, so I'm just coating the whole thing. I think it's probably the easiest way to do it. A lunch egg down at the bottom, but that's okay because I'm going to spill it all out onto a silicone pad pan. See, I don't have plastic bags. I don't have plastic bags. Not ever. No, I don't. So, yeah. So this is how I mix my food. And you know what? This is therapeutic in itself because I'm getting to dig around and get a little dirty. And it's like putting my hands in paint, except I'm putting it on food and I'm sharing my love with it. Namaste. I say a little thanks to the great gods above for providing us with a healthy, happy home. Isn't that great music? Just love it. Anyway. I got a little bit left, but that's just the egg that was down at the bottom. I'm just kind of feeling around to make sure that I got all the cauliflower out because I hate to waste cauliflower. I'm just going to wash my hands off for a minute here. She's talking. I hear ya. I hear you, baby cakes. I can see you too. Who's a pretty girl? Your bandana came off. We declared it to be International Bandana Day and took pictures of me and the children and put them on my Facebook and asked people to share a picture of themselves with the bandana. It's actually International COVID Bandana Day. just to, you know, make it that much better. Don't make any of those. That's fruit. I had some fruit in the back of my freezer, frozen fruit, so I thought, well, what am I going to do with it? I don't want to throw it out. It's not good to eat, you know, without being in something that you're going to cook, so I thought I'd make some smoothies for the kids tonight. Why the nice around. My little guy will love it. 5-year-old. I know he will. So now I'm putting these in the oven. It's preheated at 350. And I'm going to cook until they're done. Which I'm sure is probably going to be, I'll check in half an hour. I don't know how long it takes to cook cauliflower. I just kind of go by the seat of my pants. That's what I do. So, I was, I'm feeling better. Things are going a little bit better. I've decided tonight that I'm running out of things. Like because I don't go out of the house. I go for a walk down to the beach. We live very rurally, so I'm able to do that and not have to worry about coming into contact with anybody, because I live in a I live in a more senior community, and there's not a lot of people that go down there. It's the Bay of Fundy. It's pretty rugged. So anyway, that's what we did today. Enjoy.